In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Credit Karma versus Experian versus Rocket Money, aimed at helping you understand and manage your credit and finances. Whether you're watching your credit score, tracking subscriptions, or trying to stay on top of your bills, we'll break down which one might be best for you. First up, Credit Karma. Credit Karma offers free access to your credit scores from two bureaus, TransUnion and Equifax, using the Vantage Score model, and it's very beginner-friendly. You get weekly updates, credit report, monitoring, credit score simulators, and personalized offers. It's perfect if you just want to see how you're doing without spending anything. The ease of use is a big plus. However, and yes, there's a but, Credit Karma uses Vantage Score, which is less commonly used by lenders compared to the FICO models, so the number you see might not match what a lender sees. Also, the app includes lots of product recommendations and ads, which can feel like a distraction if you just want to monitor your credit quietly. Next, Experian. Experian is one of the major credit bureaus themselves, not just a service that pulls bureau data. They provide access to your Experian report and often offer FICO-based scores and features like Experian Boost, which can raise your score by including utility or telecom payments. Because you're dealing with a bureau directly, you get deeper coverage of your credit report from Experian's side. On the flip side, many of the most advanced features and full protection services come with a price tag. It's not always free. If you're looking for a very robust full-service monitoring tool and you're willing to pay, Experian may be worth it. But if you just want something free and simple, it might feel like overkill. Finally, Rocket Money, formerly Truebill. Unlike the first two, which are primarily credit monitoring or credit report apps, Rocket Money focuses more broadly on your entire financial picture, tracking spending, managing subscriptions, negotiating bills, budgeting, and yes, credit monitoring as a smaller part of the offering. If your issue is, I don't know where my money goes each month, or I'm paying for subscriptions I forgot about, Rocket Money may have more practical value. The trade-off, while it has credit monitoring features, they're not as deep or central as in Credit Karma or Experian. Also, many of the advanced Rocket Money features, bill negotiation, premium dashboards, come with a subscription fee. So, how to pick one? Choose Credit Karma if your primary goal is to monitor your credit score and report for free, and you're okay with the Vantage Score model and some ads. Choose Experian if you want the most direct bureau access, prefer FICO-based scoring, and don't mind paying or letting go of the free model. Choose Rocket Money if your main concern is managing spending, subscriptions, and bills, and you want credit monitoring as part of a broader financial toolkit rather than the main focus. Each app fills a different slot in the financial toolkit. If credit score is your biggest worry, start with Credit Karma or Experian. If your budget/expenses feel messy and you want to clean up your cash flow, Rocket Money brings extra features. You might even use more than one of these tools depending on your needs. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Credit Karma, Experian, or Rocket Money, or if you're considering one of them. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more honest and easy-to-understand reviews of finance apps and tools.